hoped we were gonna make it. He promised we would find the time, dreaming for eternity, creating perfect memories. Yeah, we hoped we were gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way. Bigger than they say, now looking at you, you keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights split past, cheap hotels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack, broken love, tequila and bluegrass, evenings just like movie scenes, along the roads in Tennessee, dreaming of what we could be, from the back of your dad's red truck. No one thought I was gonna make it. No one believed I'd take the time.
Alright, how you doing guys? Today I'm just arrived to the Tegenungan Waterfall. This waterfall is located very close to the Bali Zoo Butterfly Park in Ubud, and in the same time is this the most popular, overcrowded and everything the most waterfall in Bali. And in the same time this is the most commercial waterfall in Bali. Unfortunately, what you can see over here, everything is like this is just the spot for picture, it's okay, but check this out guys. So in the same time this is the most non-natural waterfall in Bali. Unfortunately, it's super beautiful waterfall, but now it's like a big tourist attraction without tourists because nobody is here and no tickets, all the shops are closed. However, they prepare. Alright. Of course, please don't take me wrong, this is beautiful waterfall, however it's super commercial. If somebody coming to see the waterfall, they expect the nature, right? The sounds of the water falling down, the river, the natural surroundings. But here it's like a one big party place, and this is because it's the closest waterfall to the tourist cities like Kuta, Legi and Sanur, everything. It's just the most closest waterfall and the easiest access, except the stairs what I show you. So I just gonna show you guys how it looks, the waterfall. And by the way, the waterfall is normally a lot of people here, but today I think just few local people around, and that's it. Before I arrive to the waterfall, and it will be so loud because of the water, As you can see at the moment, it doesn't look so pretty because it's little bit like abandoned. For many months nobody come here and there's construction everywhere. So oops. So please don't judge me as I showing you a bad place or something, or I'm saying something bad. I'm just showing you how it is, and I hope so you will like it and enjoy it. Anyway, I wanna try the Ridge waterfall and make a few shots over there, which is over there. So you can hear me properly. Anyway, over here, like this one is waterfall, but everywhere over here, here was the nice bamboo paths. So you could pass the river and go up over there to the places, but everything is destroyed by water, unfortunately. Yeah, like I said, it's 4 or 5 months already where it's closed, so nobody taking much care about this, right? That's normal thing, because it's no money, so from the tourists, so it's just no money to taking care of the past. And the water is very big, as you can see, very easy to destroy. Power of nature. Over here, the small kids playing on the construction site. Could you believe that? So cool. I hope so they are safe there. A lot of stairs. I don't know. I got like difficulties with breath coming up. So hot. So many mosquitoes bite me here. Some local tourists over there. Okay guys, I think so that will be enough about talking about the waterfall today. As you can see, waterfall itself is beautiful, but just the area around is little bit not natural. I can't say it's not beautiful or not nice. It's nice, but for people who coming and wanna see some nature, some waterfall as it's like a nature, they should expect this is more like so many decorations around. So many parties, places like clubs, restaurants, bars. It's beautiful, cool place to have a beer with the view of the waterfall. But if you just wanna enjoy the view of the nature and waterfall, just choose the different one. And I hope so I can start showing you different waterfalls. I would like to say thank you so much everyone for watching. I hope so you like it. I show you something different today. Unfortunately, Winnie is busy working. She's very busy in this week and next week, so most of the vlogs will be by myself. Anyway, like always, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you subscribe, put the bell on. And see you tomorrow. New vlog every day, 7 p.m. Bali time. See ya.
Keep me going back to those days, incapable of keeping track of how